Welcome to our tutorial on how to change your country on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to update your country information on your Twitter account effortlessly. To begin, visit your Twitter account on your PC. Access your account settings to make changes to your profile information, including your country settings. Next, click on Account Information within your account settings. This will allow you to access and edit various details related to your Twitter account. Enter your password when prompted, and then select the Country option. By entering your password for verification, you can proceed to update your country information. Select the correct country from the drop-down menu provided. Ensure that you choose the accurate country where you are currently located or wish to display on your Twitter profile. Click on Agree and Continue to confirm the changes to your country settings. By agreeing to the modifications, your country information will be updated on your Twitter account. By following these steps, you can easily change your country on Twitter using your PC, ensuring that your profile information is accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy updating your country information on Twitter and personalizing your account to reflect your current location.